All right. You're in beautiful hands. I have picked you out of the quarry. I have chiseled you into beauty. I have made you elegant by design and formed you beautifully. You may know about each chipped off into perfection, that you shall see and know the God of Abraham has formed you by his hand, and by the power of God you shall love and be loved in faith and hope, for I am there with you. This is what I say to Syria. So, remember, all of you that watch, may you see and understand that love is true, and love can conquer with the expertise of a wise knowledge of the mystery of love. Also, you shall seek the truth and come aboard and be a part all who obey and will on. Right? Because that is love. Obey the will, obey the investment, for you shall have a great return. Amen.